Hi guys, welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is the September Cosmo box. So if you want to see what I've got today, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So firstly, I'll just quickly address my face. I did a Halloween look and I am still wearing it. These little spiders aren't actually drawn on, or the little cobwebs. It's actually from a packet of stickers. I wanted to do a TikTok for the ones that don't want to like freehand draw on themselves. So yeah, I just did spider webs with the stickers. So I'm going to try not to eat too much of this black lipstick because it tastes revolting. But let's jump into what we got this month. Now this month was super late. I got it yesterday, the 27th of October. I'm filming it today, the 28th of October. And I'll probably put it up tomorrow on the 29th, just because I need time to edit, and it's already 5 PM right now, so I don't have time to edit tonight. But here's the box. Now, moving forward, Cosmobots have decided that they will no longer be using Sendle for their postage, and they did send out an email last month to let us know about that. Now, I contacted them because there was an option to ask for express postage, but you just have to pay the difference. And postage, if you go with Australia Post, is now charged. So I have upped mine to express postage now. So the pricing is a little bit different. I will leave it on the screen down below for you because I can't remember off the top of my head. But it's now the monthly box cost and then whatever the postage is. But I have paid the extra few dollars to have express from October's box onwards, just because it's taken forever to come here from Sendle. So I really want to be able to get these videos up sooner in the month versus the very last day of the month. So first of all, in here we do have the little booklet with everything. So if you see me looking down, it's normally because I'm reading details from this here. So I think we might go backwards today. Let's start with what the last. So the first item in here is a little mini Versace perfume. Fancy! So it retails for $16.90 and it's 5 mils. So it is a luxury size perfume. So this is what the box looks like. And let me show you the cute little bottle. So it is so tiny, but it is really adorable. I really like it. I think I'm going to pass this on to my mother-in-law because I have lots of perfumes already. So I think she might like this. Her birthday is coming up as well, so I might even put it together in a gift bag for her with some other items. So I've just lost one of my spiders. I'm not sure if I caught it on video. I'll add in a little funny clip if I did. But as I'm talking, the spiders are moving, so one has just fallen off. And I don't know where it went. But anyway, the next product is from By Nature, and it is a brightening clay mask. It is a full-size product. So it's clay mask and applicator brush, and it retails for $18.92. So this is what it looks like. Now it says here, detox and transform your skin with this brightening clay mask that helps all beauty lovers minimize pores and restore a more radiant skin tone. So it sounds pretty good to me, but I currently use the Sand Sky pink clay mask from them, so I might pass this on to someone else that will use this because I have lots of stock of the Sand Sky one, so it'll be a while before I could try this. The next product in here is another little deluxe size, and it is from Douche. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'll put it on the screen for you. But it's a luscious lip stain. So this retails for $18. My lord. $18 for this tiny little lip gloss. Now it is a really pretty colour. I do like this. It's like a really nice like nudie sort of colour with a bit of a pink tint to it. But for $18, I would never buy this size for $18, that's for sure. And you can see at the top there, it's not even all the way fully to the top. So I definitely wouldn't be paying $18, but I am looking forward to trying it and seeing what I think. I won't be able to try any of these products before posting the video just because I'm trying to get it up super quick. The next product here is from the same brand, Douche. or Doche or something. And it's super cute. It's getting us ready for Valentine's Day and Christmas all in one actually. So it is a Heart Beauty Blending Sponge. So it is actually 2 beauty blenders. It is inside this clear heart container. And then it also has a ribbon on it, so you could like hang it on your Christmas tree as like a present or for Valentine's Day. Super, super cute. Red's my favorite color as well, so absolutely love this. So this retails for $28.98, and you can never have too many makeup sponges, so I do really like that. All right, 3 more items. The next one is from Terra de Mars. And it is a 30 milligram little mini soap. So it looks like this here. And it retails for $10.12. And it is made entirely in France and EcoCert certified. So it detoxifies your skin and creates a feeling of freshness without drying out your skin, allowing you to experience a ritual of relaxation with high quality verbena oil and coffee extracts. So it sounds pretty good. I will pass this on to someone else as well because I do have allergies to a lot of soaps and stuff, so I don't want to have a reaction to it. 2 more products. So the next one here is a full-size product, and this is from Nuxe. N-U-X-E. So this is a full-size cleansing gel. It's 200 mils. It retails for $32.90, and it is basically a face cleansing and makeup removing gel. So it comes in this really pretty packaging here. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it because this. I won't be able to hold this one up whilst I talk just because I need to keep my hand there. So it is a cleansing makeup removal gel for dry and sensitive skin. It's soap free and soothes and softens the skin by using the power of honey and sunflower oil. And the lucky last product here is again from that brand, Douche or Douche. I have to look up how to pronounce it. I think it's Douce because that sounds like posh and fancy, but I could be wrong. So this one is a powder foundation and it is full size. Retails for $58.27, and it comes in this little pouch here. This is what it looks like. Now I've already just put my fingerprints on it. It's one thing that I hate about these type of packagings. Has a little mirror, and then it is a powder foundation. So I got this in the shade NM6. I didn't get to choose my shade. They actually sent out whatever they thought, but I have done my beauty profile I think on their website, so it probably has something like that I have fair skin. But it says it is a cream powder foundation, and it helps smooth and mattify your complexion. So it's a highly buildable powder foundation to freshen up your face throughout the day, or transform the powder into a luxuriously high coverage cream foundation by wetting your sponge or blender before using. The finely milked silky formula will leave your skin looking flawless all day long. So this month's box wasn't my most favourite box. It was a Spring Glow box. Wasn't my favourite box, but definitely had some really cute things in here. And coming up close to Christmas, I can use a lot of these products for gifts as well. It does have a little sneak peek for next month. We will be getting a little set from Dior. Looks like a little 4-piece sample set that retails for $99. So this is what it looks like here. So I have got a notification to say my October box has been sent, and it should be here early next week. So on here it says the total value is $177.65. I will confirm that for you on the screen and let you know how much I paid for it. I'm really excited to have some of these items, and the rest I will definitely pop in either giveaways or pass it on to friends and family at Christmas time. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!